Hello to all our viewers. Welcome to Nisha Lakshmi world. Hope you all are doing good. Today we bring to you a Telangana rice recipe which is known as Bagara rice. This dish is mostly made during weddings and on special occasions. It is not only flavorful and delicious, but it is also much simpler to make than a biryani. It can be best enjoyed with chicken or mutton gravy and vegetable sagu or kurma. So let's check out the recipe. Please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on our new videos published. For this, I will be taking whole spices such as cinnamon stick, 2 Marathi mogu, few stone flower, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 3 star anise, 4 cardamom, 4 cloves, 8 green chili slit or according to your spice tolerance, 1 large onion thinly sliced, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 large tomatoes roughly chopped, finely chopped mint leaves, finely chopped coriander leaves, 2 cups of washed jeeraga sambar rice. In a heated vessel or a cooker, add in sufficient amount of oil. Once it's heated, add in all the whole spices. And saute until aromatic. Once it turns aromatic, add in the sliced onions, green chilies, and saute until the onions turn translucent. Once that the onions have turned translucent, add in the ginger garlic paste, mint leaves, coriander leaves, and saute for a minute. Next, add in the chopped tomatoes, and saute until soft and mushy. I shall be covering the lid as this helps in cooking the tomatoes sooner. Once mix well everything, add in salt according to taste, and half teaspoon of garam masala powder, now saute for a minute. as I have taken 2 cups of rice, I will be adding 4 cups of water. But today I will be using hot water as it helps in cooking sooner. Once give everything a good mix. Cover the lid and allow it to come to a nice boil. Once it has come to a nice boil, check for salt and spice. Then add in rice. Mix it gently. And allow it to come to a nice boil until the rice grains are visible. Now that the rice grains are clearly visible, cover the lid and cook on dum with low heat for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the stove and let it sit for half an hour undisturbed. After half an hour, let's take a look on how our Bagara rice has been cooked. Mix it gently. Super tasty and a delicious Bagara rice is ready to be served. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.